How to make QR code for PDF file. Go to this website meqr.com. Log in with Google if you have an account. If you don't have an account, create an account. After logging in, click on create new QR. Here you can see PDF. Click it here. Upload PDF file. Click open. Name your QR. This is optional. Testing. Select the category as well. After that, click on customize and download QR. Here you can see pre-made templates. You can select the one you like it. I like this one. After that, you can also explore these options: frames, shapes and colors. You can choose the body pattern. Here you can see different body patterns. You can also upload a logo. You can upload a custom logo as well. Here you can see different options. If you click on my templates, you can also click on the save templates as well. After finalizing, you can select the size as well. You can change the format as well: PNG, SVG, PDF, different formats available. After that, click on download QR. Here you can see QR code. This is the QR code. Now open the camera in your mobile. Here you can see a link. When we click it here, it will go to the PDF file that we uploaded. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.